In the fast-paced world of automobile manufacturing, staying ahead of market trends is crucial. That's where benchmarking comes in. But while some still rely on outdated methods like Excel, Intelizign has developed a cutting-edge benchmarking solution that elevates the regular process to the next level. Our platform seamlessly integrates with any product or PLM system, allowing you to extract core data effortlessly. But that's not all. We go beyond the basics. Our solution supports industry-standard benchmarking methods like default comparison, tear-down comparison, component benchmarking, etc. With dynamic templates, you have the power to create benchmarking products on the fly. Add or modify properties for any product, including images, with ease. And the best part? Lightning-fast performance. Our system can compare products in less than 10 seconds, thanks to cutting-edge technology. Plus, deploy it on-premise for added security. With a dedicated admin panel offering features like role management and template customization, our solution is ready to meet your unique needs. Stay ahead of the curve with Intelizign's benchmarking solution. Contact us today at automation.services@intelizign.com to learn more.